Have you seen this line before in Python and wondered what on earth does that mean? Well, wonder no further. When you make a project, you typically put it under a function called main. Then when you call that function right at the end of the program, it kicks things off. But sometimes you actually import a function from another module or library, and a lot of times you write your own module based on your own project's needs. So in every Python file, Python automatically creates a special variable called __name__. If the file is being run directly, then name is set to __main__. But if this file we're working on is imported into another file, then name is set to the name of that file it's in. It isn't set to main. The if bit is asking, is this the file we're running on, or is this file being imported by another file? If this is the file we're running on, the code will run just fine, just as expected. If it's not though, if this code is being exported into another file, it won't run. Instead, that file will now have the ability to call functions in this file without automatically starting the program. This allows you to run the module by itself without worrying that when you import it, the file is going to run automatically. At the same time, it gives you access to the functions and methods. So here's a working example. So I have the main program and I have the module. This is the module and this works just fine, yeah? If I wanted to run this, let's say if I was trying to find a bug or something, or I was coding it and I'm trying to work with it, that's fine. I can run the module, and as you can see, it works just perfectly. All the prints and everything runs just fine. And this is where you would run the main program. But if you wanted to grab some functions from this, say as I'm doing here, I'm grabbing the function add. You don't always want to run this bit. You only want to get the necessary functions that you are requesting. So let's see what happens. If I run the main function, program, you only get 5 and x. Yeah, it makes sense. But what if I comment this bit out? By commenting it out, it means that section it won't run. It treats it as a comment, not as code. And now if I run this, nothing happens because there's no print statement. If I do greet, then I can do Alice. I don't know how I picked Alice, by the way. Now if I run it, you can see hello Alice 5x, because when I call this function, it wasn't in this main bit. So when I'm importing this function, it runs it and then it runs the rest of the program, because this greet bit isn't inside this if main bit. If it was inside of it, yeah, then, well, I mean, it is. When it was inside of it, you saw it didn't work. When it's outside of it, it gets printed with the main thing. And if you're wondering, this is what happens when it's the same thing. It's what happens if it's outside the if main bits. Hopefully that made sense. For the algorithm, I do hope you drop a like as it helps. And if you're confused at any point, please drop a comment and I'll help you out. Stay grinding.